I'm always delighted to be with Saul News. This has been such a leader in the conservative movement and the Republican Party.
Welcome to the Saul's Newsstand News Rewind for October 4th, 2024. Fox News reports, Biden-Harris admin probe urged over Medicare premium offset plan before election. A planned $5 billion Biden-Harris administration venture that would offset Medicare premium increases just before the presidential election may be a Hatch Act violation and should be investigated, according to a letter sent to the Department of Justice by Senator Rand Paul. The Hatch Act prohibits political activity conducted in an official capacity. In a post on X, Senator Paul stated, quote, Kamala Harris cast the tie-breaking vote to pass the Inflation Reduction Act, which is now driving up seniors' health care premiums. Americans deserve to know if Biden and Harris are now illegally handing taxpayer funds to insurance companies in order to hide those premium increases right as seniors head to vote. The Daily Signal reports, do you know where your tax dollars go? Now you can. Matthew Termond, Deputy Director-at-Large of the Florida-based nonprofit Open the Books, asks the simple question. Americans are paying property taxes to fund local education, so wouldn't you like to know where that money is going? Open the Books was founded in 2011 on a simple principle. Taxpayers deserve to know where their money is going and how it's being spent. Working at the federal, state, and local level, Open the Books files thousands of Freedom of Information Act requests every year with the aim of obtaining and publishing government spending records. You can learn more at openthebooks.com. And finally, Red State reports, Trump rakes in $160 million in September, set to increase spending in swing states. We are getting into the home stretch of the 2024 presidential election, and with just over 1 month to go, former President Donald Trump is seeing a surge in cash to help fund his final push. According to his most recent filings, the Republican nominee collected about $160 million in September, and it's likely most of the cash will be spent in key swing states, particularly on ad buys. A big haul in cash is incredibly important for Trump, who has found himself behind in terms of donations this cycle. He is behind where he was at this point in 2020, though he has managed to keep up support against Harris, whose participation in the unpopular Biden-Harris administration has several key demographics wavering. And that concludes your Saul's Newsstand News Rewind for October 4th, 2024. For more political news faster, visit saulsnews.com.